off. I know it's been a day or two. I'm probably putting this on both channels. Back here prepping a spot to hunt. I know that's not really homesteading, but in my life it is homesteading. It's where a big portion of my food can come from, should come from. Been out here putting bait out. Tractor's still broke, so I'm just gonna spray everything I'm gonna hunt. I'm gonna bring you along. Been working on the sprayer. It's always a pain in the butt. It always clogs up. I don't know if it's the Roundup I'm using is old or just the way it reacts with my water. I don't know. But I've sprayed it a couple times this year. It's been working. It takes about 3 days. I'll show y'all today. If I do another video down here, I'll show y'all the results. Bring y'all along on time lapse. Hope y'all enjoy it. Wrap the video up when I'm through. Sprayer's only got about a quart here of the way in it. I'm gonna run it out, and then I'll probably come back down here tomorrow and do some more. Kind of enjoying these cool mornings, and I'm still sweating. I'm sure y'all see my success was not very great. I don't know what kept clogging it up. I dumped that out. We're gonna start over the fresh batch in the morning, try it again. I'll probably just make this one video, so I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, yesterday y'all seen I kept having trouble with the sprayer clogging up. I think I got that fixed. I dumped what was in there out on a spot down here. I'm sure I have a big dead spot. And I only had enough to mix a gallon up. You're really not supposed to do this when it's real windy. But if you let the wind stay at your back and blow it away from you, it's not gonna hurt you. I've been around Roundup quite a bit. If I don't get the cancer from it, I'll be surprised. If that's a real thing. I don't know if it's a real thing. But we're finna finish spraying. I got about a third of it done yesterday. We're gonna go as far as a gallon of carrots today, and I'll put you on time lapse for it. Start killing some of it next day or two. I'd like to, by next week, have some throw and grow out there. I don't care if I still got tall stuff around it. Get it in. Hope the winter will get a frost early. Lay all this big stuff down and it'll be coming up already. Unless I can get somebody to come over here, disc it up, that's gonna be my only option. Might see if I can get Mike back out here, disc it up, push a few more trees out of it. It'll be wide enough then. If I do that, probably just be oats. Oats work in East Texas. Not any good for them, but they come in and eat them anyway. Do what works. I'd like to try to get clover planted out here. I think it'd keep coming back in those food plots as long as you mowed it once a year. Gotta get down here, chainsaw, and clean a little bit up too. Somehow me and Cornbread have lost my swing blade. I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna have to get another one now. I may go pick one of them up today. I want to swing blade all that around that feeder. Get me a trail down in there where I can back my truck up, fill the feeder up. That'll probably be next week sometime, week after. Gotta see how things are going. Spy should be home by Friday, maybe today late. We don't know, day's Wednesday. If she don't get home by today, it'll be Friday, I'm quite sure. So, she's been in the hospital since, I think, June the 21st. And today is, I think, September the 8th. Somehow my calendar's moved. Yeah, September the 8th. So, there we go. She's been in there nearly 3 months. She'll be back. She'll get done better. Maybe in time for hunting season. And I hope they have her handicap hunts this year. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone. This will be on both channels.